Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use the COUNTIF function in Excel. So, the COUNTIF function in Excel is basically a function that will mm, give you the number of things you want in a list that has a specific criteria. Basically, let's say we have a list here and we need the number of columns that have resonated with the year 2000 basically. So for example, here we have years 1999 to 2005. So we need the COUNTIF function to basically sum up every time it sees the year 2000. That's like the easiest way to explain it. So, how do we use the COUNTIF function? You're gonna go with the here and then COUNTIF, open it, and what we're gonna do is range. So, click on Control and just select the years, comma, and we need to put the criteria now. Here is the criteria on D2. So the criteria and the criteria is 2000. So it's D2. We're gonna close that up and just click enter. And as you can see, what we're getting is number one. So it's this one right here. That's the sum up of all the year 2000s in this list basically. And that's basically it, how you can use this COUNTIF function. It's extremely useful and I hope I helped you. Thank you guys for watching today's video and bye.